Your alarm didn't go off, you woke up late, you got 10 minutes to get ready for work, but your hair looks like a bat nested in it last night. Don't worry, I've got you. Your man shows up at your house unannounced and you look like a foot in your PJs. You got 5 minutes to get ready. Don't worry, I got you. Let me show you guys the throw on and go wig. Okay, people, here we go. We're wasting no time at all. I'm going to show you guys how to wear this wig straight out of the box just by cutting a few layers into it. There's really nothing you need to do. It's another wig from Hair BV. You guys know that I love this company because their wigs are just so easy to work with. So this time I opted for an ombre kind of blonde wig and it is gorgeous. So all I do is cut the lace of the wig and literally just pop it on my head, and that's it. That's it. Because the wig's going to be falling over and framing my face, I don't really have to worry about baby hairs. And even if I wanted to do a half up, half kind of down style and pull the hair back in the front, it doesn't look unrealistic. It just doesn't have baby hairs, but it doesn't look unrealistic in terms of the hairline. You can see it right here. It looks pretty good. So I just cut the lace off. I usually cut it off before I put it on, but I wanted to show you guys exactly how this wig lays once the lace is off. It lays completely flat. It just looks like it's glued down. It looks like it's on there. I mean, it is a little bit full on the hairline, more full than I would have personally liked, but it doesn't look unnatural. And because the wig is going to be falling and framing my face, nobody's going to see that anyway because of the kind of style that the wig is cut in. I'll show you guys what I mean later. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the other side. And once the lace is cut, then I go ahead and just brush out the hair, brush out those curls and make it look a little more styled. I have to say though, this hair is really soft and silky. The only thing is that because they dyed it blonde at the ends are like ultra blonde. It's a lot easier to see little flyaways. So getting some hair wax is a really good investment. It looks okay like this, but I don't like the way that it frames my face. So I'm going to do some layers into the hair a little bit and just do a little styling because, you know, the method that they use makes it look like it's growing out of your own scalp. So I'm just parting it just to show you guys, but I'm literally going to show you guys how to wear it straight out of the box. So I'm not going to change the parting. It already has a center part. I'm just going to cut some layers into the front and back comb the hair just a little bit to give it some extra volume. This literally took me about 5-6 minutes to do. Backcombing just adds a little bit of volume to the hair. It makes it a bit poofier and I like that. So to do that is really easy. You just grab a bit of hair from underneath the section and backcomb that. And the layer on top, you want that to lie nice and flat. So you're going to brush that out and smooth it out. And then you get some instant volume. You can, of course, do different styles with this hair. When you have more time, you can flat iron it, you can curl it, put it half up, half down. But to get a wig and wear it straight out of the box like that is virtually almost impossible. So I'm really impressed with this and I like the look on me. It's nice to go lighter. Experimenting with different colors is always cute, especially when you're tired of black hair. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you in my next one.